Okay, so yesterday we did a light lamp, headlamp. Today we're doing another one for those of you that are curious. And this one here, again from Banggood, the Bikight, I don't know, 4 modes, 8 times XPG LED headlamp. Camping headlight, whatever you want to look at this thing. It's got like, well, eight lights on it. Small box, just like the other one was, you guys, right? Small box, just like the other one, so you guys can see it right there. We're gonna crack it open, take a look at some of their specs, and again, see which one you like. Yeah. Okay, so it's definitely not as sleek, I think, as the one we did yesterday, but my guess is maybe, I'm not even sure. If you're looking for something a little more, with a bit more pop, maybe this will be better. Almost 1,500 reviews right now, 4.9 stars. I like the fact for you know, if you're really moving around a lot, I like the fact that this one actually has, if you can see it here, the piece that goes over your head like this. That's kind of nice. Not that the other one really needed it because it was light. Now, it doesn't give you a whole lot of specs except that it's 0.355 kilograms. It also, like if you come in here and look at some of the info, it uses an 18650 battery. Endurance is between 10 and 24 hours, so that's good. I like their waterproof. No IP rating that I can find. It just says lifestyle waterproof. What does that mean? I have no idea. My guess is, you know, if you got caught in the rain and stuff, you should be okay. Don't submerge it. USB direct charging, about 290 grams. It's a size. Each headlight is equipped with an adjustable base that tilts back and forth. It is small, suitable for outdoor activities, and the headlight has a 90-degree downward adjustment, which can increase the maximum headlamp radiation range and makes the lighting more convenient. Okay. Right, it says avoid high temperatures and humidity. Do not place in direct sunlight. Seems okay. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm down. Anyways, this is the box. This is the box, you guys. Right there it is. That's the box right there. Cool. And I would say just by feeling it. A little bigger than the one that we were playing with yesterday. A little bigger. That one yesterday was a USB-C charger. This one is a micro USB, so just kind of be aware. Whatever, if that's important. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It looks like I don't even know. It looks like a transformer sort of, even though it doesn't transform at all. That's it right there. You know, cool. Yeah, that's cool. And I can see what they're saying. So you want to put it on, you guys see here, there's a little like almost like a hinge, so that if you're wearing it, you can tilt it. And that's what they're saying, it can be tilted. So if you're walking and you want it to be tilted down, you can. So when it's on your head, you could point it downward, you could point it up. You could, well, not up, but more up, I guess. Just kind of angle it where you need to and just kind of, boop. You don't have to make the sound, but you can. Okay, and then there's your strap thing. It would have been nice, to be completely honest, would have been nice if they were like, here's a strap and it's already put together for you, but no, this is a strap that is not put together for you. So they're like, you figure it out. And I'm like, I don't even know how the heck does this go together? Do I have I have no idea how that goes together. Somehow. All right, well, I'm gonna have to figure that part out. That seems like it's probably going to be more confusing than anything. That's weird that this doesn't come somewhat attached. Anyways, this is the light. Ready? I'm just gonna hold it for now. As far as I know, this is this where you charge it? Yeah. So there you go. That's where you charge it. You lift that up, and again, it has a seal, but it's you know, I don't want to say it's flimsy at best, but just kind of be aware. It's just like it's fine. Like I said, if you're just out maybe in the rain and stuff like that, what would have been, in my opinion, maybe better is if this would have been bottom, because then if it was raining, It would be under here, which means you probably wouldn't get the brunt of the rain on it. But it's like 13 bucks, right? And then this is your power or your battery indicator when it's on. And simply you just, boom. And you start off with like 2 lights and you tap it. And it's more of a spot. You guys can't see it, but it's more of a spot, right? Don't do that to the camera. That's probably bad for it, right? More of a spot for sure. Maybe you can see it on the table, right? You kind of see that spot right there. And then tap it again. Let's see. You go to the outside, which that one gives you, it's broader for sure. So the center ones are definitely going to give you like the spot. The outside ones are going to give you a little bit of a broader just realm. And again, you can see on the top here, it does show you like your battery indicator. And then this, my guess, is all of them. So you get, yeah, that's got some brightness to it for sure. And then last but not least, you get like a strobe, right? So if you're in an emergency or something like that. And this could even be cool if you took something like this and you just like put it on the street. If you were, let's say you did break down, for me, again, on like a motorcycle or something, or even in your car, and you just put this down on the street like this, and you just turn the strobe on, because then you have a strobe so people know that something's going on there. Again, for 13 bucks, that to me seems like it would be a good deal. Now I need to figure out how to put this all together. Oh, I'm seeing what's going on here. That's why. You have to put these inside this, which is, I see what's happening here. So simply, as far as I know, you're just gonna kind of squish that in here. Right? Same thing on this side, and then this one's going to come around to the top, and we'll be good. All right, we're going to wait for it to get dark. We're going to go outside and see how this performs. All right, guys, so we are outside, and I got my headlamp on. Yes, and ready. There it is, kind of side view, and you can see on there. This is the 2 main ones, the 2 centers. It is definitely like it's a spot, right? You can see that spotlight right there, but it's got some throw to it for sure. Like that's, if you're like, I don't know, maybe you're camping and you got to go to the can, and in this, you know, and again, you can use that. I'll try to, I don't even know how to get this so you can see me, but I can tilt it, which I like, so that I could be like, no, I just need it constantly be on the ground, so I don't have to hold it, get however I need it to be, and we're good, right? So that's cool. And then I can come up and tap that button, and we go to the wider ones. So yeah, that's definitely got a wider spread to it. Still spotty, right? But there's just nothing I can do. I was hoping that, you know, it would see me better, but whatever. That's got a nice throw to it for sure. With the outside lights, you definitely can see more. And then if we hold the button down again, and we get all of them. So now we got the spot, right? I just kind of kick that up right about there. You can see how far you can see that light. There's that tree over there. Yeah, right? Check that out. Yeah, all right, that's really good too. We tried some lights yesterday, and these ones, I have to say, I think the ones we tried yesterday is the light itself is more comfortable. Plus, you know, you can just, oh yeah, bike test, right? If I had to work on a bike, could I work on it with this? Yeah, it doesn't, I don't think it has the same spread as the other one did from yesterday, but you can see, right, even with all the lights on, over like in the corners there's still, like, it's still got a fairly good spot, but it would definitely work. This one's definitely brighter. Pretty sure this one's definitely brighter, but really all depending on what you need, you know, because, can they see me now? No. I'm gonna point it maybe down. Now I look ghost-like, right? Ghost-like. Or I guess I could just turn it off. So I can just, oh, that's flash, right? There we go. There we go. All right. Anyways, you got a couple options there. I do like this. Again, you know, this one's, like I said, if you're camping,
This one's, it might be a bit better because you have that spot. So if you're at night and you didn't want to be lighting up the whole area, it's really focused. Plus you can angle it, which I like. And then you can kind of just not disturb everybody around you, because the other one's wide. It's a wide light. This one though, yeah, no, they're both good. They're both good. Get them both. Get them both. You know, you can buy both of these for like $30 US. So you can't really complain too much about that. I'm hoping this light turns on because it's really dark. You guys probably can't even see me. I'm waving my arms. I got a motion sensor here. There it is. There it is. All right. Anyways, yeah, you can get both of them for like $30 US. So that's pretty good deal. All right, guys, I'm going in the house, and the bugs are coming out, and the raccoons will be out soon. So I'm out. We'll see you guys later. Links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And who doesn't want to look like this?